Okay, now you can see the scroll flattened out there. That's from 1/2 inch square bar. It's the same principle for any material you use. Draw it out, paper down the sides. Now I'm going to put it in. I'm going to start cocking the scroll now. This is doing it by hand without any scroll jigs or dogs. A lot of people find it very hard to make them freehand, so I'm just going to show you now how it's done. Remember, when you draw down the point, you have to watch the point of it now. So here we start cutting it over the side of this. Work your way around. There you are, there's the start of it. Okay, I'll just do another heat on it. Sorry about that, somebody was trying to ring me. Once you get the first part of it done, the cocking as I call it, the rest follows suit. You just need to keep your eye sharp. Make sure that you get no bends on it or kinks. And here we are again. As I say, you can see it there now. So you start again. Slowly bringing it down, come behind it, over, down, every time just keeping an eye on it. With experience and time, the more training you do on it, the better it'll get for you, easier it'll get for you actually. Sometimes you have to square up the little scroll on it. Now we're slowly getting there, folks. Now we get another heat. Just do the small one to show you. Or is that big enough? There is an easier way of doing it. The very first stage I done was papering out the blade and just cock the end of it and you have it scrolled over the scroll jig and you wrap it around it. That's the easy way. And you can mash the juice in that way. But, this is for if we're doing repair work or things like that. It can also be done there, but I don't need to do that. Show you. There you are, folks. This was a short little demonstration, okay, how to do a scroll. And if I'm to say I have one at the other end, to say if I have an original off an old gate and we want to reproduce one, What I normally do is I get a bit of string and I measure back from about, let's say, about 3/4 of an inch back from the end of a let's say from there. And what I do is I draw out the blade after I've measured it. So I start my string in from about 1/2 inch in, or 3/4, and I get the centre of the string to go in the centre of the bar, and work my way down. And if I have a scroll this end, I do the same. I stop at a 3/4 of an inch away from the end, and that'll give you your mean. If it was a circle, it'll give you your mean diameter, give you your, exact measurements. Okay. So there you are, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. Finín Liam Christie, blacksmith from Ireland. Thank you very much.